How to order from ASOS. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can place an order on ASOS. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. You can either visit ASOS website or simply download the application from Play Store or App Store. After that, sign up or log into your account for a personalized shopping experience. So open up the application first. Make sure to sign up or log in. After that, you have to search for the clothes, shoes or accessories that you want to purchase or place an order. You can use filters for size, color and price as well. So select the item that you want to place an order. For example, I have this item right here. After that, scroll down a bit. Select the size. And once done, tap on Add to Bag button on this interface. Now once you have added this item to your bag, then you have to head towards your bag section. So for that, tap on three line icon at the top left and here tap on Bag. And once you land on your bag section, there you'll find an option as Checkout. Tap on it and you need to enter your delivery address, that is your home or office address. Then choose your shipping method as well. And also select your preferred payment options or payment methods. There you have to enter your payment details and apply any discount code if available. Now review your order summary and simply tap on Place Order option and wait for the confirmation email. Then you can go to My Orders to track shipping updates. ASOS will send tracking details via email. And that's how you can place an order on ASOS application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.